What is up, PROG family? Oh my god, crazy day today. Again, we are the Great Canadian Apes. My name is James Marin.
Jim Marin.
We are not financial advisors, so take everything we say with a grain of salt. Without further ado, let's get into the video. We got some groundbreaking shit today. Oh my god. This manipulation, it runs deep.
Yeah,
holy.
I've never seen anything like it.
I've never seen anything like it.
So yesterday we took a look at Ken Griffin making 1.8 billion a year. You know, seven million a day. How's that, eh?
I'd love that.
$1 million an hour.
I'd need to work for one day and I'd be set for life.
Woo! That's it. So yesterday we took a look at this in isolation with what happened to PROG at 10 o'clock. So we saw that it was going down, that sort of thing. I picked up some good dip down here. Thought it was pretty yummy. So here's a foot blocker for you. Take a look at this one. Okay, so this on Yahoo Finance. So meme stocks suffer worst day since June as risk off rages. So it says that meme stocks, including Gamestop, Bed Bath & Beyond, are tumbling Tuesday as investors bail out of riskier assets in favor of value-orientated companies. It's going through basically saying that us, the retailer, bailed on all these companies, which included BBBY down 20%, Aurora down 19%, Progenity 10%, Gamestop 14%, and so on. And so I looked at it and was like, what? We weren't bailing. We were doing fine.
Yeah.
So took a look at this. This is how we spent my day today. At 10 a.m. Tuesday, November 23rd, T+2 days for in the money calls were going on for each of these companies. And each of these companies had huge drops in price yesterday. When you take a look at PROG, okay, at 10 a.m., it was at $4.64, but exactly at 10 a.m., they started crushing it. And it went down to a low of $3.93. It was doing fine.
It was doing great.
It went up.
It was a T+2 day. Nobody's going to be selling on a T+2 day when you have all the in the monies.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And in every company. Take a look at GME, the granddaddy of them all. You got GME, was at $252.20 and went down to $212, down 18%. When did that start? At 10 o'clock. Go on to AMC. You've got, at 10 a.m., they were at $42. And all of a sudden, it went down 11% to $38.02. Bed Bath & Beyond was at $24.44 at 10 o'clock. And then, boom, all of a sudden, it goes down $21.53. 13% down, and Aurora went down from $13.94 to $11.41 for a 22% decrease. And this all happens at the exact same minute. The exact same minute, all these five people, for all these that were doing pretty well, all of a sudden say, oh yeah, we're going to sell. Oh, forget it. Yeah, we're going to sell. All of these five stocks were doing very well. In the money calls totaled. I haven't even totaled them. Sorry, I haven't been able to complete the study on it. I'll have that for you in a future video. But Progenity alone had 8 million that they had to hedge for to be able to have. The argument's sake, you know, who knows how many they had already, not that sort of thing. But we knew that they would be trying to bring the price down. I don't think they could, because it was trading at $4.73, and look at that boom boom candle going on. It was things like this that happened right before 10 o'clock that it was like, oh, okay, well, guys, I bet you Shitadel was there, Kenny G and the boys, phoning Susquehanna, phoning Simplex, phoning the major shorts, saying, guys, you got any money left? No, man. We had to cover all those puts that went out of the money, that sort of thing, right? We had to cover all those, Kenny. And well, what are you guys doing for the T+2? I don't know. We got PROG, we got GME, we got AMC, we got Bed Bath & Beyond, we got Aurora, we got all these that we got to cover today. It was like, let's do it, boys. Let's kill them.
Yeah.
And so at the exact same minute, everything goes down.
That is planned. That is 110% planned.
Look at that. It's like, so.
Okay, retail investors on a whole aren't going to sell at the exact same time.
The exact same time.
On 6 different stocks. You hear this, SEC? This is evidence right here. This is groundbreaking shit.
Yeah, and what the FUD article, you got your glasses on, said is that, the retail investors were trying to get rid of their stocks because they weren't doing well. Let's take a look at how these 5 stocks were doing since November 15th. November 15th, PROG opens up at 301, closes November 19th at 489, and at 10 a.m. was at 473, a 57% increase. GME opened November 15th at 203.86, closed November 19th, 228.80, lots of in the money's there, and 10 a.m. was at 247.50, 21% increase. I think people that have been holding GME for the last year, all of a sudden at 10 o'clock on November 23rd is all of a sudden going to sell.
No way.
Sorry. AMC, love it. You've got opens November 15th at $40.35, closes November 19th at $40.87, and at 10 a.m. is at $41.93. It's up 3%.
Yeah.
Are people going to all of a sudden sell at 10 o'clock?
Especially when they've been holding for...
We've been holding AMC since January. I've got GME and AMC since January. Am I going to sell? No. Did I sell at 10 o'clock? No. Did you?
No.
No. Okay, so Aurora has November 23rd, same deal. They opened November 15th at 10. They closed at November 19th at 17.11. The amount of monthlies that would have been kicking into there with a 39%, that from $10 that week to 17, whoo! Yeah. They were in a hurt with Aurora.
Oh, yeah.
And so they must have been trying to hit that hard to be able to bring it down. They did bring it down to $13.94 by the 10 a.m., but that was still a 39% increase. Bed Bath & Beyond goes from $22.58 to $23.25 for an 8% increase. Each of these 5 companies had solid increases from November 15th to 19th. All had substantial in-the-money calls for November 19th, probably totaling into the hundreds of millions of dollars. The hedgies would have lost hundreds of millions of dollars on their out-of-the-money puts at the exact same time. And on the T2 day, the day that they had to reconcile everything?
Yep.
Exactly at 10 a.m.? Oh, what happened? Oh, all the investors bailed out of their riskier assets.
You would think that they're smarter than this to do them all at the exact same time and then put out a FUD article. Like, it's so blatantly obvious.
It's unbelievable.
Guess who I am?
Who are you?
I'm the SEC.
Oh, I was waiting for you to come.
I'm Gary Gensler, man.
I was waiting for you to come here. You gotta take a look at this over here. I did it a little bit earlier, and I'm just gonna go and I'm gonna take here. Hold on. You gotta see something. You gotta see something right here. Look at all these companies. What do you think about all these companies? They were doing extremely well. PROG up 57%, GME up 20%, AMC up 4%, Aurora up 39%. Bed Bath & Beyond up 8%. And all of a sudden, in the exact same minute, when everything's doing well on a very important day for the investors on T2 day, that they're just kind of holding on to be able to make sure the price is at a good level for all those in the monies that came in. It's sad that everybody sold at 10 o'clock. Everybody in PROG and GME and AMC and Bed Bath & Beyond and Aurora. See that so? At 10 a.m., everything goes down. You know what? I don't think so.
I don't see anything.
Do you not see that at the exact same minute? The exact same minute across 5 different companies that all of a sudden, things that were doing well, all of a sudden goes down dramatically.
I don't see anything.
These went down 18%. GME went down 18%. PROG went down 18%. AMC went down 11%. In one day, Bed Bath & Beyond down 13%. Aurora Finance down 22%. How does this happen?
I'm looking, but I don't see anything.
Yeah. You better look a bit harder. The short ladder attacks didn't just happen on PROG yesterday. It happened to majors across our community. The market manipulation on it was just extreme. On companies that we've been in the play for almost a year.
Yep.
And all of a sudden, everybody's going to drop it from 250 in GME down to 210. It's
Right at 10 a.m.
Right at 10 a.m. It was just unbelievable. And
then
so,
they highlight that on friggin' Yahoo Finance and Bloomberg.
saying that, oh yeah, everybody left. All the retail investors left. Did you leave?
No.
They didn't leave. No.
That corruption runs deep. Holy. Bloomberg, that's one
Yeah.
of the biggest
Yeah.
friggin' financial news
Yeah.
articles out there. Oh
Yeah.
my God.
Yeah.
This corruption, man. Oh my God. I hope somebody from the SEC sees this bloody video.
Spread the word. Share the videos, share that part, that sort of thing, because it's unbelievable. Not financial advice, because with that much going on, it kind of tells me to
Keep on holding.
I'm keeping on to it.
Oh, yeah.
But never put in more than you can afford to lose. And for our good friends south of the border,
Have a happy Thanksgiving.
And,
We are the Great Canadian Apes. James Marin.
Jim Marin.
We are not financial advisors. This is not financial advice. And you know what? FUD blockers on, baby. FUD blockers on. Let's go.
Yeah. Take care, guys. Market's closed tomorrow.